Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into what Rufus is used for and why it's such a popular tool for anyone who works with computers. If you've ever wanted a fast and reliable way to install operating systems or create bootable USB drives, this video is perfect for you. And of course, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more beginner-friendly tech tutorials. So, what exactly is Rufus used for? Simply put, Rufus helps you create bootable USB drives. This is incredibly useful if you need to install or reinstall an operating system, like Windows or Linux on a computer. Instead of using a CD or DVD, you can use Rufus to make a USB drive that your computer can boot from, saving you time and making the process more portable and convenient. But that's not all. Rufus is also handy for system recovery and troubleshooting. If your computer won't start properly, you can use a bootable USB created with Rufus to run diagnostic tools or repair your operating system. It's also helpful for running live versions of Linux without installing anything on your hard drive, giving you a safe way to test or use alternative operating systems. Another common use is creating portable operating systems. For example, you can have a Linux or Windows environment on a USB stick that you can plug into any compatible computer and use it just like your own system. This is great for tech professionals, students, or anyone who needs a consistent workspace across multiple computers. Of course, to use Rufus safely and effectively, there are a few tips. Always back up your USB drive before starting, because Rufus will erase everything on it. Make sure you select the correct ISO file for the operating system you want to install, and double check that you've chosen the correct USB drive. If you're unsure about advanced settings like partition schemes or file systems, sticking with the default options is usually the safest choice. In short, Rufus is used for installing operating systems, repairing or troubleshooting computers, and creating portable or live USB environments. It's fast, reliable, and beginner-friendly, making it a must-have tool for anyone who works with computers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might need it, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.